So on this one here, they're going to ask you how to make a picture go inside of Word. So it's a clipping mask, just like you did in Photoshop, but there's a couple extra steps to it. So we have this word stars here, and you can see when I click on it that it is still editable text. You see that line under it. It is not converted to outlines yet, and you have to convert it to outlines to make the image go inside the words. So we're going to click on that and go to type, create outlines. Okay, so now it's an outline, it's graphic. We want to ungroup it though, so go to object and go to ungroup. Then there's one more step you have to do to it before you can do the clipping mask, is make it a compound path. So go to object and you want to say make. All right, now it's ready to be made into a clipping mask. We can drag it down here on the image, or you can drag the image up. Just make sure that it's on top. If it's not, you go to Object, Arrange, Bring to Front. And now you want to click on both of those objects. So I'm holding my Shift key and getting the stars word that we've converted and the image. And again, in the Object menu is where we do all this. And go to Clipping Mask and Make. So now you have the image inside the words. If you wanted to move the image around, you would get the Direct Selection tool and click off of everything and then click on there, and you can still move the image around inside the words with that Direct Selection tool. All right, they're going to ask you to do one more thing on the test in this prompt, and that is to make an outline around the text. So obviously we just click those words and we go over here where it says stroke under appearance. And let's say make it a 3-point stroke. Actually, let's make it bigger since this is looking pretty small. And then the color. So you click on the stroke and they might ask you to make it a specific blue, like RGB blue or something. So we'll click on that. And there you have it.